Meaning of insignia.
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 Insignia. Insignia refers to a symbol or emblem that represents a rank, status, or affiliation with a particular group or organization. It is usually worn as a badge on clothing or displayed in some other prominent manner. The design of an insignia often incorporates elements specific to the group it represents, such as colors, shapes, or patterns. Insignias are commonly used by military branches, government agencies, and social organizations to identify members and signify their roles within the group. Overall, an insignia serves as a visual representation of an individual's affiliation with a larger collective.